Hey, sorry. Like an asshole. All right, let's talk about it. Hmm. I know, right? All right. Like, oh, wait, hold on. Um, Never mind. Oh, shit. Hey, Google. Hey, Google. Oh, no. Oh, no. Wait. Hold on. Oh, no, it's still hooked up. All right. Hey, Google. Hmm. Hey, Google. I think it's dead in its horses. Okay. Wait, I live in Mason, Ohio. Do you hear him? Tunk, 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 tunk. Tunk, 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 tunk. Riri! Hi! Tunk, 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 tunk. Hey, Google. What the fuck? Oh, sorry. Sorry. Okay. Oh, my bad. My bad. Alright, hold on. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Hold on. Hold on, wait. Here we go. Oh, there you go. Amazon. Mm-hmm. Oh, shit. Hold on. Wait, I know, there's so many people here. What is happening? What is happening? Oh, shit. Oops, that's my bad. Yeah, that's my bad. Wait, hold on. Okay. My bad. Woody Woomba. Shut the live. Oh, sure. Lip glossy. You know what? Give me a second. Let me think about that. For fuck's sake. Hold on. Sure. God. The people that hate me. I mean, why would you want to become a mod? I mean, shit, firefuck. All right. I mean, I'm kind of on my own, right? Lip glossy. Shit. I mean, who's gonna hate me? Outside of everyone else. Okay. Okay. Oh, shit. I feel like an asshole. Truly, I do. But not really. Alright, so let's mend fences. Can we mend fences? Can we mend fences? Can we mend fences? Oh, shit. Can we mend fences? Okay. I don't need mods. Do you think I need mods? Sorry. There's 6 people in here. Not at the moment. Okay. Do you want a box? There you go. There you go. Should I get on to the after hours with Schmashley? Sorry. When she asked who invited her, fuck you and fuck your train ride that you. What the? Oh, I said that out loud. Oh, sorry. Hey, Smash. How's it going? Okay. I am. Okay. I don't think she was trying to protect me. I think she tried to embarrass me. That's what everybody likes to do. Just embarrass Woody Woomba. By the way, my name is Jamie. I wasn't? No, she wasn't. She was not trying to protect me. Stop saying that. Stop. Stop. Really? We're like 2 weeks in, and the people that are in lives are like, oh no, don't let her in. Oh no. Yeah. That was the actual sound. Don't let her in. Smashy was not trying to protect me. Are you shitting my dick right now? Why do you keep saying that? Stop saying it. Oh, okay. I'm still doing it. Okay. Okay. Des. I'm still doing it. Okay. Smashley was not trying to protect me. If she was trying to protect me prior to that live, are you shitting my dick right now? Hold on. Let me look you in the eye. Here, my left eye, my right eye, my left eye, my right eye. Are you? You're dumb. You're dumb. I'm sorry. What? Okay. Okay. All right. Smashly like some cute women, right? The fuck? I know, right? Sorry. I'll just keep smiling. Just let me know when you figure it out. Oh, 5 forehead. I said that before it happened, just so you know. She was drunk, and then she called my drunk out. That's what happened. Am I wrong? Please tell the authorities of Cincinnati Eye Institute what's happening with my eyes. Oorah, oorah. I know, right? I said I'm not wrong. 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 Hoorah, Semper Fi. I know, right? Who's ready? Come on, let's get it. Let's get it. That's left OS. Oh, by the way, when you talk about your left side, it's OS. OS. OD. OD is right, right, right. Are you clear? Are you guys clear? Are you ready? All right, all right. OS. 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 Ooh. All right, right. All right, okay. OD, 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 OD. So OS, OD, all right. Hold on. I cannot see. I cannot see. I cannot see. All right, okay. You keep saying whatever you want. All right, all right. That's fine. All right, here we go. Here we go now. Here we go. Hi. Hey, sorry, I have to lift it up. I am okay. So, you can call Adam Kaufman at CEI, Cincinnati Eye Institute, and ask him, ask him, ask. I have PP. PP. So, who knows about PP? Mittens, tell me about PP. Mittens, please tell me about PP. No, pars planitis. Please, please, please. Nope, you can't get away with looking at me differently. So look up PP, pars planitis. At me. Shut up, spicy ketchup. You have no idea what you're talking about. I know you don't know what PP knows. Please, I'm not trying to be rude. Just look up PP. I know. Shut the fuck up. Iritis and arthritis. Uveitis, PP. Look up PP. Fuck you. No. It's pars planitis. You know what? Fuck you and fuck you them. It's called pars planitis. Adam Kaufman, UC. Um, no, it's not painful. I don't think so. It is. I mean, it is somewhat. Yeah, in my. Yeah, it is. Fuck you, mittens. Mittens can go away. Mittens. Are you fucking kidding me? I have iritis. Uveitis. Okay. Just keep letting him up. Brooke, I don't know if you know, but I have iritis or uveitis. Brooke, let's look. Come on. Yeah. So I have a bleb on my left eye. OS. See. Yeah. And then my OD. No. Oh. Fucking sucks. Right. But my OS, alright, okay. Hoorah. No, I'm not crying. I'm not crying. So Adam Kaufman at Cincinnati Eye Institute can tell you I'm not crying. I know I'm going blind. I know it. I got it. I'm good. I am good. Sorry. Sorry, I can't see. I'm sorry. It's OSOD. Left is OS, OD is right. Dominant right, OS is left. Mittens. I'm telling you, OS is left, OD is right. Yeah, there you go. There you go. It's all right. Just sucks. Right. All right. So here you go. This is my OS. My left. There you go. Oh. Can you see it? Oh. Oh. Oh, he is. He's so sweet. He is so sweet. I know, right? Joey. Jojo. Jojo. You're right. You're right. Thanks. Wait, Dora the Explorer. Okay, if I'm good, can you join my live? Okay. No. All right. Yeah, I know. Oh, do I have some water? What do you mean, Dora? Do I have some water? What? How's your night? I don't know, Dora. Do you find the fact that you can join me on a live? Never mind. Just seriously, Dora, you don't respect me. Yes, girl. I tried to remind you of myself to drink more water. What the fuck? Really? No, really. I mean, honestly, you don't respect me. No. Could you imagine the people that you on the daily represent and oh, never mind. It's okay. It's okay. I just can't. I just can't. I just can't. You have no idea what you're talking about. Like on a daily basis. Um, I just can't. I can't. I know. I know. I know. I know. I know. Just, I know. I know. I'm gonna stop crying. Don't tell me I need rest ever, ever, ever again. I don't think these people know what it's like to be a mom of military or right, right. Oh, there she goes.
Hi, Witty.
Hey.
What you doing?
I'm kind of sort of laughing at the aspect that I kind of held you in an upper echelon.
Do
Anyways, I
what?
don't want to be rude. How you doing?
Hi, Violet. I'm good. Somebody said you were live and I come in. I stopped in to say hello.
I'm okay. You don't have to be a part of anything, by the way. Sorry.
So what's going on?
Nothing. Sorry. Sorry. Nothing. Yeah, I'm all right.
Did you have a long day at work?
Yeah, I did. Sorry. This shit sucks. I mean, how do you like go from one application to another?
What do you mean?
So, I know you like love your job with. Are you changing your application
Uh,
Tell me
what?
more. To back to true crime? right?
No.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
I'm not sure what you're talking about.
Okay. Sorry.
I was speaking about my friends on true crime to somebody in the comments today who was
Okay.
interested in starting true crime, and I told her to follow some of my favorite creators that do true crime.
And then you went into her live today.
Yeah, she's a friend of mine.
Okay.
So what do you mean by application?
Sorry. Nothing. Sorry.
Yeah, Virgo, this is. So what's going on tonight? What's got you upset or
Nothing. Nothing is upsetting. Sorry.
did you have a good day at work?
Well, how did you get into the live today? Can I ask that?
How did I get where?
Into the live today.
What live?
The live that you were in today.
True crime live?
Correct.
Cause she's a friend of mine.
Okay. How did you end up there?
She's been a friend of mine for quite some time.
Okay.
We used to talk about the John Paul case a lot.
Ugh, shit. Except Brady. Sorry. I'm sorry, but I was in the middle of my cleaning today, and
Did you have a good day at work?
good, great day.
Awesome. So what have you been up to tonight?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
Do what?
Hold on. Wait, hold on. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Hello, hello, hello. Hey, Violet, should I block anybody? There you go. Wait, hold on, Violet.